Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial in which I want to show you how you can very easily install and set up Wolfeye remote screen so that you can secretly monitor remotely and see a computer, the live stream of a computer, um, using your smartphone, using any other remote computer. Yeah. So to do that, we have a tutorial on our website here, this green button. You hit the button and you come to a tutorial. And the first step, the first thing that you must do before we even download Wolfeye Remote Screen is we have to select the folder in which we want to download Wolfeye and put that folder into the exception list of our antivirus program, because Wolfeye Remote Screen is basically it's a spy software. It allows you to secretly see the live computer screen of a remote computer. So this is a spy functionality, and of course, spy antivirus programs um, they um, um, they see this as spyware, which it is. Yeah? So this is why we want to put the folder in which we will put Wolfeye into the exception list, because then your antivirus program will continue to run normally, but will exclude this particular folder from the scans, and Wolfeye Remote Screen can continue to run without any problem. So this is the first step. We will select that folder, and in selecting this folder, it is important that we select a folder under C users public, to which all Windows computer users have writing privileges, so that we can use Wolfeye to also monitor other users on this Windows computer. So this is what we're going to do now, and you can choose any folder under say users public. I will choose say users public pictures, just as an example. Copy it and go to the Windows Explorer, enter this, and I am here in say users public pictures. And in this folder, we will create the folder in which we want to put Wolfeye Remote Screen in a minute. Yeah? And we name this folder something that is something. You can select the name that you want. I will put Win Files, just as an example. Win Files, here is. So this is the folder that I just created. Okay. Well, wait, Win Files 2. Excuse me. I will name it Win Files 2 because I already created one file, one folder. WinFiles 2. So this is the folder I just created. I will put this folder into the antivirus exception list. I copy this path. Yeah? How to put a folder into the antivirus exception list depends on your particular antivirus program. Yeah? If you are not sure how to do this exception with your antivirus, just write us an email and we will give you the instructions. I will show it here how to do it with Windows Defender. So I go to the Windows search field down there. I enter antivirus, and here, this icon, I click on here. Yeah? And then I scroll down to the settings, protection settings, virus and protection settings. I scroll down to exceptions. I add an exception. I have to put in the administrator password, and I add an exception. When I click on add exception, you can select file, folder. We want to put the folder, so we click on folder. Yeah? A Windows opens and you select the folder that we just created. Yeah? This is the folder. Select folder. And now we have created with Windows Defender this folder into the exception list. The way you have to do it with your antivirus program, I don't know which one you use, Norton or any other, write us an email if you're not sure, okay? But this is important. Now that we have put this folder into the exception list, now I can go to the website and click on the download button. I click on the download button and I will be redirected to a mega site. From mega download, click the download button down here, and a Windows opens, and here I of course select the folder that we just created. Yeah? And here we will copy the application. Copy, save. Yeah? So here it is. The file that we just downloaded is a zip file. It is packed. So we have to unzip it. We have to extract the application which is in there. To do that, we hit the right mouse, and click on Extract All. A Windows opens. I will extract it to the same folder, so I delete this. And I'll click on Extract, and you will be asked to enter a password. The password to this zip file you can read on our website, and it is Wolfeye. I enter Wolfeye as password, and the application will be extracted. Okay, here is the application. That was the first step. So we will run this application. Before we run it, you can rename the application to something that you want. I don't know, WinFile, for example. I don't know, something like that. So to set up Wolfeye, you just open by double clicking, you run the application, and the control windows opens. And the first time you run the application, this blue screen appears. Yeah, this screen appears, but this only appears the first time. You have to click more information and run. Okay. This only appears the first time. So this control windows of Wolfeye opens. And to set up Wolfeye, you only have to click on 3 buttons. The first button is the screen button, share screen. If you click it, from this moment on, you click it, it turns red. You know that it is running with its red. And we are sharing already our screen. You can see the live screen of the computer by visiting this live screen URL, this website. Under this particular website, you will see your live screen. You will have another link, of course. Everybody has another link, and the link is dependent on your hardware ID and on your username. So this is the first step. So you can make the test. You can open your web browser on your smartphone, and you will see the live screen of your computer that you are sharing. So the second button you must hit is the email URL. You can hit, I must say, because this button is, of course, you cannot remember this link. If you want to open it on your smartphone, you hit this button, or email URL, you enter your email address, and this link will be sent to your email address so that you can open it from your smartphone or from any other remote computer. I will enter my email address here. You enter yours. And when I click on OK, this Windows appears, and I have received this link so that I can open and see the live screen from anywhere in the world with any browser, with any computer, with any smartphone. You will see it. Okay. So, and the third and last button that you want to hit is this blue button here, Hide and Winstart. What it does, it hides the application and it makes a Windows startup entry in the registry. So I hit it, the application hides. The Windows disappears. From now on, Wolfeye remote screen is running in the background without the user noticing it. And every time that this computer will be run, that Windows will be a startup, this software, Wolfeye, will run in the background, showing the live screen of the computer without the user noticing it. So this was a small tutorial on how to set up Wolfeye remote screen. And if you want to know how to save screenshots on a regular basis, or how to protect this live URL link with a password, or if you want to know how to set up so that all users are monitored at the same time, write us an email and we will send you instructions. Thank you very much.